Hello everyone. In this video, I will take solutions of 5 questions from exercise 2.4. Okay. So in this exercise 2.4, again you will find word problems. So let's start with the first question. The first question says, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So let the required number be x. Subtract 5 by 2 from the required number. She multiplies the result. What is the result? X minus 5 by 2 is the result. She multiplies the result by 8. Okay. And this result is 3 times the same number she thought of. So what was the number she thought of? X. So 3 times means 3x. So this is our required equation. Now what we will do? First of all, we will open the bracket. So 8 will be multiplied by x. It will give you 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 equals to 3x. So 8 will be cancelled out by 2. So it will give you 4. 4 into 5, 20. So 8x minus 20 equals to 3x. Now the equation is reduced to simpler form. You can transpose 3x to LHS and minus 20 to RHS. Okay. When you will solve, you will get the required number as x equals to 4. Next question. A positive number is 5 times another number. So let the first positive number be x. Okay. It is 5 times. So another number will be 5 times. Okay. If 21 is added to both the numbers, so what we are doing, we are adding 21 to both the numbers. So first number is x. So the new number will be x plus 21. Second number is 5x. So add 21 to it. It will give you 5x plus 21. Now, then one of the new numbers twice the other new number. Okay. So here we have two new numbers. So it is saying that one of the new number twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Okay. Now children, here at this step you have to make an analysis. Okay. So here I have written the required equation, that is 5x plus 21 equals to 2 into x plus 21. But some of the students may get a doubt, like what if I write the equation like this? Okay. Because it is not mentioned there anything regarding the twice the other new number. So the one required equation can be like this also. So here I have mentioned a note. Why this? We cannot use this as the required equation because we know that x is positive. Therefore 5x will be always greater than x. Okay. So if I use this equation, now let's take an example, x equals to 2. Put x equals to 2 here. It will give you 23 in LHS, and when you will put x equals to 2 here, no way the two equations can be equal to each other. 23 cannot be equal to this term. Yes or no? Because 5x is already greater than x. So this case is not possible. We will start with this required equation. I hope this confusion is clear to all. Okay. Now we can proceed further. So in RHS, what we will do, we will open the bracket. So it will give you 2x plus 42. Now the equation is reduced to the simpler form. You can transpose 2x to LHS and 21 to RHS. When you will solve, you will get the value of x as 7. So this is the first number and another number is 5 times. So the another number will be 5 into 7, that is 35. Okay. Third question. This one is important. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Okay. There is a 2-digit number. That number is not known to us, but the sum of its digit is given, that is 9. So let the unit digit of the 2-digit number be x. Okay. Now what will be the 10th digit? As we are given the sum of the 2 digits is 9. So if we know the digit of units place, we can find the unit of 10th place. How? By subtracting it from 9. So the digit at tens place will be 9 minus x. Okay. Now you have units digit, you have tens digit. How you can find the original number? You can find the original number like this. Tens place will be multiplied by 10 plus units place. Okay. So here I have written at tens place 9 minus x and units place x. Open the bracket, you will get 90 minus 10x plus x. On simplification, you will get 90 minus 9x. This is our first equation. Now, the question further says, when we interchange the digits, now, in the second part, I have to interchange these digits. Means, the tens place will become the ones place or units place, and the units digit will become now tens digit. You have to interchange the place. Like if I take an example, the 2-digit number is 23. Interchange the digits. So it will become 32. Same way. Okay. So when we interchange the digits, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So what is the 2-digit number? Okay. I think equation 1 is clear to all of you. Now after interchanging the digits, so we have exchanged units digit and tens digit. So this two values will be the new values. Now new resulting number what will be? 10 into what is the value of tens place? Tens digit x, 10x plus units digit is 9 minus x. Okay, now simplify this. So 10x plus 9 minus x, it will give you 9x plus 9. So these are the two numbers with us in terms of x. Now what the question says? Resulting new number is greater than. What is the resulting new number? This one is greater than the original number by 27. So according to question, resulting new number. Yes, this is resulting new number is greater than original number by 27. So I have added 27 to the original number. Okay. Now simplify this term. So you can transpose minus 9x to LHS and plus 9 to RHS. On simplification, you will get x equals to 6. Now this x is what? X is unit digit of 2-digit number. So units place, the digit of units place is 6. What will be the digit of tens place? 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, that is 3. So what is the required number? 36. Okay. Now next question. One of the two digits of the 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Okay. So let the units digit be x. The other digit is 3 times. So the digit at tens place, it will be 3x. Again, if you interchange the digits, okay, it is similar to the previous question which we have discussed, but with a slight change. So here we have got units digit and tens digit. Now we will find original number. So put the value of units and tens digit in this. So you will get 31x. This is our original number. Okay. Now we have to interchange the digits. So interchanging the digits means now unit digits will become 3x and tens digit will become x. Again find the new number. It will give you 13x. Okay. Now what is asked? Add the resulting number to the original number. Means 13x will be added to 31x and it will give you 88. Like this. So the value of x you will get x equals to 2. So unit digit of a number is 2. So what will be the tens digit? 3 into 2, that is 6. So the original number is 62. Okay. So children, to solve this question, there are two methods. Two cases can be applied. If you use case 1, so your answer will be 62. Okay. But if in case 2, you interchange these values. How? I will show you like this. Case 2 means let the tens digit be x. So the unit digit will be 3x. We have exchanged the digit because it depends on children. Whatever digit he or she can take. as x. Okay. So for this case, the original number will be 13x. When you interchange the two digits, the resulting new number will be 33x. According to question, when you add these two numbers, it will again give you x equals to 2. But this x equals to 2 is now the value of tens digit. Okay. So the value of units digit will be 6. When you put the values, the original number you will get is 26 instead of 62. So in both the way you can solve the question and both the answers are correct. Whether you write 26 or 62, both are correct. So I have explained both the cases. Okay, in exam you can attempt any one of the case. Now let's move to the last question of this video. This is very easy one. It is based on age. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So first of all, let's assume the present age of Shobo be x. Her mother is 6 times in age. So mother's age will be 6x. Shobo's age after 5 years. So age after 5 years from now will be 1/3. So what will be the age of Shobo after 5 years? X plus 5. It will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay. So what is the present age of Shobo's mother? 6x. So after 5 years, Shobo's age will become 1/3 of Shobo's mother's age. So this is our required equation. Now we can solve. 6 will be cancelled out by 3. So it will give you 2x. So your required equation will become x plus 5 equals to 2x. I will rewrite the equation. Okay. So when I rewrite, 2x will be in LHS. I can do it like this also, x plus 5. Now I will transpose x to LHS. So it will give me x equals to 5. So present age of Shobo is 5 years and present age of Shobo's mother is 6x. So put the value of x here. So it will give you 30 years. Clear? So like this, I have discussed 5 questions from exercise 2.4. Do practice a lot. Bye. Thank you.